We're very happy with the job they did, and yeah, can't wait for spring to get here and get some flowers going and make this look even better. Alright, we're getting ready to they already set out the flags where the sprinkler systems heads are going to go. The materials are here. We're going to put this up tomorrow. We're looking forward to it. Got all this. You know what? Let's close this up. Let's not leave this open. There we go. Much better. And the wall looks complete. We're just under 4 feet tall. Pretty much level with the house. Not perfectly, but almost there. And we got the well dug up already, and they're going to put the heads over here. Already dug the hole. Kind of pretty much ready to go. All this. The fence is going to be tied up here onto the post right here. All right, 2 more truckloads today. And I think that's all the dirt we're gonna need here. We need to repack here. There you go. Good, finally. We have looks like we're gonna have a yard that we can use. So, more progress. Project in the backyard. We got the 4x4s in, and here is where we're gonna put we're gonna close the fence and put a gate here. We got the posts up for the fence. Things are starting to take shape. We're actually gonna put a gate here too. And it's kind of awkward because the property line ends right there. And there's not a big space here for a gate, but we're gonna make one in there. Just a little one. And you got the backyard leveled out. There's gonna be a couple more truckloads, maybe 1 or 2 more coming in. And we're gonna have some French drains put up here, coming down and draining into the ditch here, the drain ditch. And yeah, see right here. We're also going to close this up with a gate, and we're going to have steps coming down to get access over there. And here, also again, my property line is actually here. The neighbor was kind enough to move the farther down, but yeah, we're going to close it up here and bring it straight down this way. And then close it right here. All right, another day, ready to finish this fence. go. And there we go. Shaping up like a yard. Shaping up, shaping up. All right, the fence is up. They just gotta finish the gates. But yeah, it's good to have some kind of privacy now. Okay. Nice. This is gonna be good. Like, heck yeah. So they just gotta come in and put some gates up. I'm gonna put 4 gates. There we go. 1 gate over there. Another one here. 1 there and 1 at the other end of the house. All right, looking good. They're looking very good. I love it. There we go. All right, a little more progress in the backyard. They're working on the drain. I'm gonna put some French drains here, running all the way down, and it will run down into the drain in the back. Right there. All right, they should be pouring concrete here. Tomorrow's Wednesday. It should be pouring concrete on Thursday. Tomorrow, they're gonna fix this. We're gonna move it a little bit inside so it'll go square. The sidewalk will go square with the patio, the end of the patio right here. So they're gonna finish reframing this, and they may start pouring concrete tomorrow. We'll see. But if not the concrete tomorrow, the concrete should be here Thursday. They are pouring right now. They're gonna do the final touches later here after they're done pouring. There we go. Concrete laid out, and the bulkway is done. Getting there. All right, more progress. Getting close to the end. Sprinkler systems are on, so they're just gonna come in on Monday, tomorrow inside. They're gonna side this right here. We're gonna make a flower bed. Finally finished the front fences and the trash can pads. There we go. Concrete's good to go. All this is going to be flower beds, and so is this area right here. And this is going to be rocks. Finally, we can put our trash cans out. Decided to close this up instead of putting a door over there because it would look kind of weird, a weird gate. So all this is going to be all grass, and this is going to continue the flower bed all the way down there. Now I can bring the fireplace and the grill out. I'm making the grill here. This is really upward, so I'm just gonna fill this in later myself with concrete all the way. So they're gonna build a gate over here tomorrow to close this out, and putting some flagstone steps all the way down. Okay. Coming down here, this all the way out, flower bed all the way to the gate. Same thing with this, all the way out, flower bed all the way to here, because all this is going to be rocks. Rocks. This I was going to make it a flower bed, but I'll probably close it out with rocks too. And rocks. And here's the other. There you go. Finally got a gate and a closed backyard. Front sprinkler systems are on and running. Everything's good. There you go. Leading down the side. That's part of it. Looking good. Look at this. There you go. Hey, it's not.
Getting the grass laid.
Yeah, looking nice. Thank you. Getting that back patio done there. Almost there. All right, and the job is done. It's complete. We got the sod laid out here. We finally got a walkway. This is going to be, Nana and I are going to make it into a flower bed. All this right here. Sprinkler systems are on, up and running. Garbage pad in place. All of this is going to be all flower beds for vegetables or whatever Nan wants to plant. Same thing here. All flower beds in there. We're going to get rid of that grass. And we finally got a leveled backyard with a nice drainage coming all the way down. We have our patio extension now. I can put together that grill, bring the fireplace out. And this is Philip. Philip, you mind being in the video?
Hey!
He's a contractor that's responsible for doing all this great job.
Thank you.
We're very happy with. Thanks, Philip. Appreciate it.
We really appreciate you.
Got a little gate access here for the easement in the back. Look at the flagstone steps coming down with a drain pops out this way. What a difference. Here and all the way down, it's going to be all flower beds. Here and all the way down, it's going to be all flower beds too. We got these things here because I wanted to put them myself. This is going to be I want to run some drippers. So I already got the hookups for the sprinkler system. And I got the tees laid out right here. And I'm gonna run the drippers once we plant the flowers and everything. And I got the pump right now wrapped up because it's gonna freeze tonight for the next 3 days. But I got R13 wrapped up in there. Look at that. This pump is not freezing. There you go, I got the hiding rock. This I'm going to fill it up with rocks because I have the gutters also installed yesterday, and it's going to be all rocks, and we're going to let the rocks do the filtering down into earth. And here we go, some rocks with some flagstones coming out the front yard. Here we go. They didn't do anything in the front yard. They just installed a sprinkler system. But in the spring, Nan and I are gonna redo this the flower beds in the front yard.
Make sure the judges